Here's a walk around of my Mitsubishi Minicab Japanese mini truck. Former Walt Disney World trucks, now painted camo, and you can see some of the former blue showing through. Good old work truck. Great hydraulic dump bed has proven very useful here on the homestead. In the process of putting on 4 brand new tires, new studs and lug nuts on the rear. Since these are so light, I always carry extra weight in the back end. Battery replaced about a year ago. And you can hear her running right now. As you can see, it's a high cab, so plenty of headroom, plenty of headroom. The rail guard was welded on over a C-channel front bumper. Storage box there with a key. Thanks for watching.